So the pace of change continues to accelerate. Expectations from a consumer perspective continue to rise. For the product folks on the business side, speed to market is critical. We're selling more of our products directly to consumers. People compare the experience they have with an insurance company like Guardian to the last experience they had with Amazon or eBay. So those expectations of the user experience, availability of products, the feature richness are all continuing to get higher over time. At Guardian, we have quite a lot of legacy applications and platforms. So one of the challenges that we've prioritized is we can't afford to have applications unavailable. The expectation is that they'll be available and working with good performance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Over the last 5 years, we were able to execute on a hosting strategy that allowed us to put production into a public cloud. That was, I believe, a little bit cutting edge for companies in our space. Right now, we're a single AWS, single public cloud solution, and we're talking now about how we can adapt what we've done to a multi-cloud strategy. Almost every aspect of that touch point that our agent has with the consumer, we're able to work backwards from that to make sure it's as efficient and as digitized an experience as possible. We were able to shut down a 50-year-old data center that when we first started talking about that task seemed daunting. And so the moves we're making today position us to be agile and adaptive and understand that as new technologies emerge, which they absolutely will, that we'll be positioned to take advantage of them. When we first chose Ensono as a partner, I don't think anyone had heard of them. And as we spent time with the Ensono team, it became clear that many of the values that we embody at Guardian are the same values that Ensono has. There's a mindset of customer first, execution, continuous improvement, transparency. We realized that this was a good partner for us on what was a major initiative. And it was critical to our strategy that we get it right. And having Ensono as the partner, while it wasn't always a bump-free ride, it's really paid off for us. Their very first year with us, Ensono won an award. We give just a handful of strategic partner awards out, but they won our Rookie of the Year award because of the ease with which we were able to transition the work to them and the good success we had stabilizing so quickly. There's full trust and open, honest communication. So there's no hesitancy on either Ensono's part or our part to bring an issue to the table and know that we can work together to find the right solution. They're constantly asking for input, for feedback, and not only taking notes on those items, but then creating action plans on them. We have a very short list of strategic partners. Ensono is one of the newest on the list, arguably one that could provide the most value to us over the coming years. So it's a very important relationship, one that we value at Guardian very highly, and one that I look forward to seeing continue into the future.